Ano kaya yung hinihintay nila dyan?
Steak po.
Steak. There. Steak is ready. Ano sauce mo?
Ano ba to? Demi-glaze sauce.
Demi-glaze.
Hindi ko alam ibig sabihin.
What are you getting? Ma'am, red steak yan.
Hala, bakit ako palagi nakikita mo, girl?
Siyempre, maganda.
Ako na yung napalagi sa video mo.
Oo.
Kumain ka na kasi. Ba't ka nagbibideo?
Hindi nag-ano na ako.
Excuse me, can I have a medium rare?
Yun. They're making gravy. Vegetables. Steak. Let me see. Wow. And what are you gonna put up? Okay. Isda yan? Hindi pala.
Burrito.
Ah, burrito.
Ito, duck.
Anong, ano to? Station ng steak. And then pasta.
What I'm looking
Yeah.
for.
What are you looking for?
This
Pasta.
I've been looking for the carbonara ever since I arrived.
Oh, really?
And I did not see anything at all.
Okay. Now you found it?
And I found it.
And what
Now
is
the
your
problem
reaction? Now
is-
you're so happy.
Now the problem is, I saw that it's carbonara, but it's made of shrimp, and I'm allergic.
Oh no. So we are in pizza station. Pizza. Fruit station. The fruits. And then there you go. Dessert. Different sweets. Pastries. I think I don't know what to get. So salad station here, appetizer, salad. Pastor, what are you getting?
I'm looking for fish.
No need, no problem. And the Chinese, we have dim sums here. So finish. I'm gonna get my food now. Bye.